All right, first play. Spread right, Dallas. What the freaking hell, Jay? What are you doing? It's a pass play. You're downfield.
I just got like beat so fast by my guy. Like I just didn't know where to go. So I just went downfield. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Jay, why can't you be like me, Zach Rusick, the greatest lineman ever? I never played JV. I'm perfect.
You're such a dick, Zach. Just leave me alone.
All right, here's the next play. Spread left, power left. Look, you guys are too tall, all the linemen.
Waterston, why'd you miss your block?
Coach, it was my ankle.
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 2:30 for lifting.
Oh wait, film started?
You made it yourself.
You're so stupid, man. I just want to be in Oregon.
All right, that was it.
It's money lift. Hey, can I use those weights real quick? Alright. And now the scouts can walk in. Right? Yeah. Hey guys, Derek Calderon. 20. Wait, I'll be on Cox. Derek Calderon. Just watch me on number 20. I got good forearms. Alright, now we're at Harvard in May. You're where? Harvard in May.
Harvard. Yeah.
Hey, you talk louder.
Can I get the usual?
Chicken bowl and white gummy.
Yeah.
Can I have what he's having?
What are you talking about?
My best friend Kyle Kelly, number 11. It's the guy over there. He just ordered for me.
You want the same thing you got?
Yeah, that's my best friend.
Alright, so chicken bowls and white gummy.
Yeah.
Alright,
All right, thanks, dude. Now this is the locker room before the game.
You gotta speak up, guys. We can't hear you.
Let's go,
Philip.
Let's go, you ready? Tear this house down.
Yeah.
This is our house.
Yeah.
Strap up and hit him in the mouth.
Yeah.
Up and hit him. Now let's see what happens. Let's see what Derek has to say.
Let's go, guys. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. All right. So one peaceful night, Blade and his wife decided to walk through the city park.
Come on, babe.
You look like a fine young man. Would you like some fighting lessons?
No, I don't need it, man. I don't need it. 1 second, let me tie my shoe real quick.
Actually kicked him.
The next day.
Get up.
Old man, what do you want?
The Yakuza, they attacked you.
Darn those guys.
They left this note with you.
What's this?
Come to my lair if you want your woman back.
Where the heck is his lair?
Search your hearts and you will find it.
I don't know what that means, crazy old man.
I will train you. Let us begin. Down! 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 Get up, my son.
Master, I'm ready.
If you can snatch the rock from my... You are ready.
Thanks, Master.
At the evil lair.
Boom!
Make another stepping stone, guys.
No!
Hey, that's my cow.
Show me your moves, man.
Finish him.
Any last words, dirtbag?
Well,
Boom.
Yeah. It's only funny because it's silly.
that wasn't really First game of the season, recently go, Jay and Yard.
Oh, that's gay.
Please.
Oh.
Damn it, Jay.
Oh my God.
Get the forklift!
I thought Jake went to first.
Blake Worsick at his house. Blake, let's go to the mall.
I don't really want to, Marge.
Off the leash. Ow, the whip. The whip.
Philip Holland.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Reno. Time out.
I've never done that.
Reno. I got Max Pep chilling on my mind. How many stickies do I get this time? Hey,
Forgot your line.
whatever. You suck. I'm better. Oh no!
Hey, what about Derek messing up on the thing?
My boy, Coach Noji is so fly.
How fly is he?
The only thing yellower than his car is Matt's taste in women.
At least I get some. That's all I got.
One, two, three.
That was anticlimactic.